Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, for this problem, I believe there's supposed to be a 3 here, not a 2. So that might be one of the hardest problems for some people, just recognizing this pattern down here. So we'll use the ratio test here, these terms here being our an terms. So we're looking at limit as n goes to infinity of absolute value of an plus 1 over an. These terms are positive, so that's the same thing as without the absolute value here. Okay, so this is limit as n goes to infinity. 1 times 3 times 5 times ... times 2n minus 1. And then we're looking at n plus 1 here, so we go one step further. And similarly down below, we have 2 times 5 times 8 times ... And then we have times 3n minus 1. And we're looking at a sub n plus 1, so we go one step more than that. So all of this is just our a sub n plus 1. And we're dividing by a sub n, which is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal of a sub n. So multiplying by 2 times 5 times 8, ... all the way up to 3n minus 1. And then down below, we're having 1 times 3 times 5 times ... times, oops, should have parentheses here, times 2n minus 1. Okay, so the 1 times 3 times 5 times 2n minus 1, all of that is going to cancel out with all of this. Similarly, 2 times 5 times 8 times ... times 3n minus 1, all of that is going to cancel out with all of this. So now we have limit as n goes to infinity, 2 times n plus 1 minus 1 over 3 times n plus 1 minus 1. And this limit is 2/3, which is less than 1. So we do have convergence.